Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Rethinking exercise and its implications on weight loss and aging. In today's fast-paced world, the conversation around exercise is evolving, prompting us to rethink traditional notions of fitness. One intriguing concept is the workout paradox, which suggests that despite our best efforts in the gym, many people struggle to achieve significant weight loss. This paradox highlights that exercise alone may not be the magic bullet for shedding pounds, as factors like diet, metabolism, and lifestyle play crucial roles. Understanding how exercise impacts aging is equally vital. As we age, our bodies undergo various changes that can affect our physical capabilities and overall health. Engaging in suitable types of exercise can help mitigate these effects, promoting longevity and vitality. In today's fitness culture, where quick fixes and extreme workouts often dominate the conversation, it's essential to recognize the nuances of exercise. We can foster healthier, more sustainable habits by embracing a more holistic approach that considers weight loss and aging. So, let's dive deeper into how rethinking exercise can transform our bodies and overall well-being as we navigate the complexities of fitness in the modern age. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. The workout paradox. Understanding its implications for fitness enthusiasts, the workout paradox is when individuals exercise regularly yet struggle to achieve their weight loss goals. This can perplex fitness enthusiasts who dedicate hours to the gym only to find that the scale needs to reflect their hard work. The paradox highlights that while exercise is essential for overall health, it may not be as effective for weight loss as many believe, especially when not paired with proper nutrition and lifestyle choices. Common misconceptions abound in the fitness community. Many people assume that more exercise automatically leads to more weight loss, overlooking that increased physical activity can sometimes lead to compensatory behaviors, such as overeating or reduced daily movement. Additionally, some may focus solely on cardio, neglecting the importance of strength training, which is crucial for building muscle and boosting metabolism. It's time to rethink our approach to workouts to achieve better results. Instead of solely focusing on calorie burn, consider incorporating a balanced routine that includes strength training, flexibility exercises, and mindful eating. Understanding the workout paradox and adjusting our strategies can create a more effective and sustainable path to fitness success. No losing weight frustration. Navigating the challenges of weight loss can often feel like an uphill battle, leaving many frustrated despite their commitment to regular exercise. One primary reason for this frustration is the misconception that exercise alone will lead to significant weight loss. Factors such as metabolism, hormonal changes, and stress can hinder progress, making it easy to feel defeated when the scale doesn't budge. Mental barriers also play a significant role in this journey. Negative self-talk, unrealistic expectations, and the pressure to conform to societal standards can create a toxic mindset. Practicing self-compassion and setting realistic, achievable goals is essential to overcome these hurdles. Celebrate small victories, like improved energy levels or enhanced mood, rather than fixating solely on the numbers. Moreover, shifting the focus from weight loss to holistic health can be liberating. Emphasize nourishing your body with wholesome foods, staying active in enjoyable ways, and prioritizing mental well-being. By embracing a more balanced approach, you'll alleviate the frustration of weight loss and cultivate a healthier relationship with your body. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection, and every step towards better health is a victory worth celebrating. Exercise making you age faster. Understanding the impact of certain workouts. While exercise is often hailed as a fountain of youth, specific high-impact workouts can paradoxically contribute to accelerated aging. The science behind this phenomenon lies in intense exercise's stress on the body. Over time, excessive high-impact activities can lead to inflammation, joint wear and tear, and oxidative stress, all of which may accelerate the aging process at a cellular level. Adopting a balanced exercise routine that prioritizes overall well-being is crucial to combat these effects. Incorporating a mix of cardiovascular, strength, flexibility, and low-impact exercises can mitigate the risks associated with high-intensity workouts. Activities like swimming, cycling, yoga, and Pilates provide effective workouts that promote joint health and enhance mobility, making them excellent alternatives for longevity. Focusing on a well-rounded fitness regimen can help you enjoy the benefits of exercise without the drawbacks of accelerated aging. Remember, it's not just about how hard you work out, but how smart you approach your fitness journey. Prioritizing balance and recovery will enhance your physical health and support a vibrant, youthful lifestyle as you age. Why women need less exercise than men. Understanding the differences in exercise needs. Regarding exercise, women and men have distinct physiological differences that can influence their fitness requirements. Women generally have a higher body fat percentage and lower muscle mass than men, which can affect their energy expenditure during workouts. Additionally, hormonal fluctuations throughout the menstrual cycle can impact energy levels, recovery times, and overall performance, making it essential for women to tailor their exercise routines accordingly. Recognizing these differences is crucial for developing effective fitness plans. Women may benefit from shorter, more focused workouts, prioritizing strength training and flexibility rather than lengthy cardio sessions. This approach supports muscle development and enhances metabolism and overall health. Women must embrace their unique fitness journeys, understanding there's no one-size-fits-all approach. By listening to their bodies and adjusting their routines to fit their needs, women can achieve better results and maintain a sustainable exercise regimen. Remember, fitness is not about competing with others but finding what works best for you. Celebrate your progress, honor your body, and enjoy the journey toward a healthier, happier you. Weight loss plateau. Understanding and overcoming the challenge. A weight loss plateau is a frustrating phase where your progress stalls despite continued efforts in diet and exercise. This phenomenon often occurs after an initial period of weight loss as the body adapts to changes in caloric intake and physical activity. Factors such as metabolic slowdown, hormonal shifts, and even muscle gain can contribute to this stagnation, discouraging many. To break through a plateau effectively, consider implementing a few strategic changes. First, reassess your caloric intake. As you lose weight, your body requires fewer calories. Tracking your food can help identify hidden calories or imbalances. Next, mix up your workout routine. Incorporating new exercises, increasing intensity, or adding strength training can stimulate your metabolism and reignite progress. Staying motivated during these challenging times is crucial. Remember that plateaus are a normal part of the weight loss journey, and they don't define your efforts or worth. Focus on non-scale victories, such as improved energy levels, better sleep, or enhanced mood. Surround yourself with supportive communities, and remind yourself that persistence is vital. You can overcome any plateau and continue moving toward your goals with patience and determination. Weight loss journey. Embracing the emotional and physical aspects. Embarking on a weight loss journey is as much an emotional experience as a physical one. Setting realistic goals is crucial for maintaining motivation and avoiding disappointment. Instead of making drastic changes, focus on achievable milestones, such as losing 1-2 pounds per week or incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your meals. These smaller, attainable goals help create a sustainable path to success. Celebrating small victories along the way is equally important. Whether you fit into a favorite pair of jeans, complete a challenging workout, or feel more energetic, acknowledging these achievements can boost your confidence and motivate you. Remember, every step forward counts, no matter how small. Community support plays a vital role in a successful weight loss journey. Surrounding yourself with friends, family, or support groups can provide encouragement, accountability, and shared experiences. Engaging with others who understand your struggles can make the journey less isolating and empowering. Ultimately, your weight loss journey is personal and filled with ups and downs. Embrace the process, stay committed to your goals, and remember that every effort brings you closer to a healthier, happier you. Intermittent fasting. A strategic approach to weight loss and health. Intermittent fasting, IF, has gained popularity as an effective strategy for weight loss and overall health improvement. At its core, intermittent fasting involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting, allowing your body to enter a state of fat burning and cellular repair. This approach helps regulate insulin levels and promotes metabolic flexibility, making it easier to manage weight. Several methods of intermittent fasting suit various lifestyles. The 16/8 method, for example, involves fasting for 16 hours and eating during an 8-hour window, which can easily fit into a typical daily routine. Another popular approach is the 5-2 method, where you consume a diet for 5 days and restrict calories to 500,600 on 2 non-consecutive days. The alternate day fasting method can also be effective for those who prefer longer fasts. Incorporating intermittent fasting into your weight loss strategy can be a game changer. It encourages mindful eating, helps reduce calorie intake, and can lead to improved energy levels and mental clarity. As you explore this approach, remember to listen to your body and choose a method that aligns with your lifestyle and goals. Embrace the journey. Intermittent fasting may be a valuable tool in achieving your health objectives. How to lose weight fast. Actionable tips for quick and safe results. If you're looking to lose weight quickly and safely, you can implement several actionable tips immediately. First, focus on effective dietary changes. Incorporating more whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, can help you feel fuller while reducing calorie intake. Consider cutting back on processed foods, sugary beverages, and high-calorie snacks, as these can sabotage your weight loss efforts. Additionally, staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water can help curb hunger and boost metabolism. Combining exercise with nutrition is crucial for achieving the best results. Aim for a balanced routine that includes both cardiovascular workouts and strength training. Cardio helps burn calories, while strength training builds muscle, which can increase your resting metabolic rate. Even short bursts of high-intensity interval training, HIIT, can be effective for rapid weight loss. While the desire to lose weight quickly is understandable, it's essential to prioritize health over speed. Rapid weight loss can lead to muscle loss, nutritional deficiencies, and other health issues. Focus on sustainable changes that promote long-term well-being. Remember, the goal is not just to lose weight but to cultivate a healthier lifestyle you can maintain for years to come. We've explored the intricate relationship between exercise, weight loss, and aging. We discussed the workout paradox, highlighting how traditional approaches to fitness may not always yield the expected results. Understanding the physiological differences between men and women and the emotional aspects of a weight loss journey is crucial for developing effective strategies. We also delved into the benefits of intermittent fasting and the importance of setting realistic goals while celebrating small victories. A balanced approach to fitness is essential for long-term success. This means combining proper nutrition with various exercise types, including strength training and low-impact workouts, to promote overall health and well-being. Remember, it's not just about losing weight quickly. It's about fostering a sustainable lifestyle that supports your unique journey. If you found these insights helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on health and fitness. Remember to like this video and share it with friends who might benefit from these tips. Your engagement helps us create more informative videos. Together, we can inspire a healthier, happier community. Thank you for watching.